welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some warm and humid conditions across the region this morning. Seeing temperatures already up to 83 degrees as of 10 a.m. with dew points in the mid-70s, so feeling very humid and warm across the region this morning. That's going to be the case throughout the day today with highs in the mid to upper 80s across the area. Dew points remain in the 70s, so feeling very much like summer today. We'll have a fairly good chance of some showers and thunderstorms popping up throughout the area, mainly after noon today, throughout the afternoon and the evening hours. And we'll continue to see unsettled conditions and move in the weekend and early next week as well, with daily chances of showers and thunderstorms. Taking a quick look at our radar imagery currently across the area, we do have some showers and even a thunderstorm off to our south, about 30 nautical miles off to our south. Those should continue to move off to the south and east of the area and shouldn't impact our region, but with those showers and thunderstorms popping already this morning across the area, we'll continue to see chances of showers and thunderstorms across our area for today, and looks like we'll have a fairly good chance, as I mentioned, of seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the region, especially once we move afternoon today. And taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level around 13,000 feet. Winds are light throughout the column, especially in the low levels, only seeing winds less than 10 knots in general, and seeing our winds up to 36 knots out of the northwest, 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, high pressure in control in general across the area. We have a stationary boundary off to our north. That's going to be sagging across the region for today into tomorrow as well as into Sunday. Looks like that front should move just south of our region on Sunday, giving us a bit of a cooler day across the region comparatively what we've seen recently. I have an upper level disturbance currently across the Midwest. It's going to be moving towards our region for Sunday and Monday, and then across the region on Monday, giving us a good chance of some rainfall. Some of that could be heavy at times. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a good amount of upper level cloudiness across the region, currently across the region. That's going to be streaming in and giving us some filtered sunshine across the area for today. Also going to see some cumulus cloud build up and possibly seeing those turn into some showers and thunderstorms as we move in the afternoon hours. Her model for today doesn't really have as much activity as some models are showing, only shows a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms well north of our region, but I do expect a chance of that across our region for today. Into the overnight hours, we'll see a chance of some showers and thunderstorms during the early overnight hours, and then tomorrow morning should see just in general humid and warm conditions. Not going to see much in the way of activity across the region tomorrow morning. Once we move in the afternoon hours, however, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms start to develop across the region, and looks like we have a good chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow evening with a cold front moving through the region. And then for Sunday, could possibly see some showers and thunderstorms across the region during the early overnight hours, and then continuing into Sunday morning before we should see some lower chances of showers and thunderstorms once we move in the region on Sunday afternoon. Take a look at the European model here. Showers and thunderstorms possible today, and then moving into the Saturday time frame, looks like we'll have pop-up showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, and then it looks like a better chance of a line of showers and thunderstorms moving through for Saturday evening. And for Sunday, looks like we'll continue to see chances of showers and thunderstorms. It'll be slightly less on Sunday with more northeasterly flow, low clouds across the region, cooler temperatures, so limiting the instability across the region, but can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. And for Monday, looks like we'll have an aerial pressure associated with that disturbance moving through the region, going to give us high chances of showers and thunderstorms across the region, especially looks like the first half of Monday, possibility of some heavier rainfall as well. And then Tuesday, can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, but most likely looking like just some mostly cloudy skies as well as some decent weather across the region. On Tuesday into Wednesday, we'll see, once again, can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, as we are into a summertime type pattern with possible diurnal showers and thunderstorms each day. But overall, looks like once we get into Tuesday through Thursday of next week, things should calm down, and as far as our shower and thunderstorm chances with lower end chances each of those days. We'll continue to monitor a cold front that possibly could move through on late Thursday, but right now, being about 7 days out, we'll continue to monitor that forecast. Looking at a high day around 87, low night of 72, highlighting chances of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today, with better chances from noon to 1600 local, and then from midnight to 4 local on Saturday. Possibility of also seeing some low clouds building tomorrow morning across the region. Our winds today will be out of the southwest to southerly component around 7 to 12 knots to 8 to 13 knots, with a sea breeze moving onshore for the late afternoon hours, and then southwesterly 5 to 10 knots overnight. Terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions, unless we do have showers and thunderstorms overhead for today. So looking like a good chance we do see a shower or thunderstorm during the early to mid-afternoon hours today, as I mentioned, with that orange condition for our showers and thunderstorms. By tomorrow morning, we'll see some low cloudiness in the region, broken clouds around 800 feet, as well as an overcast deck at 3,000 feet. Should see those ceilings lift tomorrow afternoon before more showers and thunderstorms develop. Our tides are running normal and into Saturday and into Sunday. Saturday, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms from the afternoon and evening, high of 84. Saturday night, mostly cloudy, overcast, with a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorm. Low clouds likely, low of 67. And for Sunday, overcast with abundant low cloudiness and a chance of isolated shower or thunderstorm, high of 76 degrees. Looking like a yellow chance for our showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, so around 20-30% chance. But overall, Sunday right now looks like, as I mentioned, at high of 76, so a cooler day across the region, northeasterly flow, a lot of low cloudiness across the region, so much different than we'll see on Saturday for Sunday. And looking at the next 7 days, better chances of showers and thunderstorms for today and tomorrow. And Monday looks like our best chance of showers and thunderstorms at 80% chance. Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, going with a 20% chance on Tuesday and Thursday, but each of those days could see a pop-up shower and thunderstorm. Right now, it doesn't look like very high-end chances, as we'll just have some sea breeze boundaries move through, possibly kicking off an isolated shower or thunderstorm. But the heat will start to build for middle to end of next week, expecting highs in the mid-80s on Wednesday and upper 80s to possibly near 90 on Thursday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back next week at 8:15 and 10 a.m.